Hello everyone. In this video I'm using a blue masking fluid and you can see it on the white background quite clearly. It does come in white and possibly other colours, I don't know. So with masking fluid, you can either leave areas white once it's been removed, or you can paint over them with a different colour. When I've covered the flowers, I'll leave it to dry. Remember to wash the brush after using it. So now I'm applying a background colour and I've already wet the paper with a sponge. When the background colour is dry, I'm going to use a tissue to dab the flowers so that any water remaining on top of the flowers will be wiped away. So I'm gently removing the dried masking fluid with my fingers. It's a bit like a dried glue. And now I'm using a square block that's a watercolour eraser. I'm going quite gently with this so that I don't take off the paper as well. I hope you like this demo. Please join me next time. Thank you.